everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your CPU temperature and what to do if it's running too hot. A healthy CPU temperature is crucial for your computer's performance and longevity. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to check your CPU temperature. There are several tools available, but today we'll focus on two popular ones, that is Core Temp and HW Monitor. Start by downloading Core Temp from the official website. Just search Core Temp. Go to the official website, go to the download page and simply download it. Once installed, open Core Temp. You'll see real-time readings of your CPU temperature. Here you can monitor the temperature of each core. After, next great tool is HW Monitor. After installing this HW Monitor, you'll see a detailed list of temperatures, including your CPU's current minimum and maximum temperatures. Now that you know how to check your CPU temperature, what should you do if it's running too high? Here are some tips you can take if your CPU temperature is higher than it should be. First, ensure your PC has good airflow. Clean out any dust from fans, vents, and heat sinks. Make sure your case fans are properly positioned for optimal airflow. Next, reapply thermal paste to your CPU. Over time, thermal paste can dry out and become less effective. Carefully remove the old paste and apply a new layer. Next tip is to upgrade cooling system. Consider upgrading your cooling system. This could mean getting a better CPU cooler or adding more case fans. For higher performance systems, liquid cooling might be a good option. Next is to adjust fan speeds. Adjust your fan speeds through your BIOS settings or using fan control software. Increasing the fan speed can help lower your CPU temperature. If you've ever overclocked your CPU, try reducing the overclock. Higher clock speeds generate more heat, so dialing it back a bit can help. Lastly, ensure your room is well ventilated. If your computer is in a cramped or hot space, it's hard to keep cool. And that's it. Regularly monitoring your CPU temperature and taking these steps can help keep your computer running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.